AI ASMR videos like this are taking over social media. Just this video got 35 million views on X and it got 100 million views or more on Instagram and TikTok. So if you just search AI ASMR on any social media, you will see these videos going mega viral and creators monetizing this activity. So in this video, I will show you how you can create these kind of videos and how you can create them more affordably. If you take a look inside in aivideo.com, these are the videos that I created. Most of them are ASMR focused. So let me show you an example. I created this one. You can see she's eating all kinds of planets with this prompt. And you can see here it's Google VO3. If you have a bad prompt, the results can also look like this, right? But sometimes the results are really good. Look at this. Pretty dope, right? Look at this. I also created a cloud. Whoa. Nice. You can also generate a chocolate keyboard. Or I generated this girl eating lava soup. Look at the scenery and look at the girl. So realistic. You can hear the sounds, everything. So it's kind of perfect. And you can also create the effect where you basically create a zoom in like this in this video. Take a look. So the way you can craft these kinds of prompts is with the help of AI. You can craft them manually and, write anything that's on your mind here and generate the video, or you just go to ChatGPT, write your idea and let AI enhance your prompt. So let's say I'm gonna create this. I want to generate a video prompt for a girl eating lava pizza. Just hit enter and let AI write you the prompt. This should be good. Let's try it. A highly detailed cinematic close-up of a young woman sighting a futuristic pizzeria holding a slice of glowing lava pizza. Let's give it a go. So I'm gonna enter it here and I'm gonna do a portrait format. Google VO3 as you can see, and let's generate 2 videos at once actually. While we're waiting, let's go over the plans that you can purchase to generate these videos. So in Google, you can see the subscription starts here. This is the minimum price you have to pay to generate videos with Google VO3. But if you go to aivideo.com and use the code below to get 10% off, you can start with these plans because generating one video costs like 640 credit with Google VO3. But these plans are already good enough to generate several videos. So with the creator plan, you can generate like 5, 6 or even 7, 8 Google VO3 videos. But with this plan, you can generate probably 30 or more videos. And that should be enough probably for every single month to generate. So click the link below and use my promo code to get 10% off. Now let's have a look at the videos. Okay, so the quality is not that good here because there's something below the table, although the sounds are not bad. And let's have a look at the second example. Okay, this looks better. There are sounds. It looks realistic. You can even see the reflection of the fire in her eyes from the pizza. Not bad at all. Now let's say we generate something else. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it for another prompt. I want to generate a video prompt for a chef master with big knife cutting a glass pineapple ASMR. Let's go, let's hit generate and let's just copy paste the prompt to see what we can come up with. So now let's copy paste it and generate one video. All right, let's have a look at the result. So this is the guy cutting a glass pineapple. As you can see, it's pretty good. There are even 3 scenes inside one short video. So it's also good at doing multi-angle shots and it looks realistic. That's cool. One other great thing you can do here is group all the videos together because it's an editor. You just have to drag and drop the videos like this. Put them all one by one and then you can download it and publish a 30 or 40, 50 second reel, which is more likely to perform on social media. Okay, this is how you can create ASMR videos with AI and how you can create them more affordably than by using Google's plan. Follow me for more videos like this because I will be revealing how to create ads like this. See you in another video, and if you want to try aivideo.com, click the link below and use my code to get 10% off.